This video demonstrates how to perform negative check weighing on the ZQ375 checkweighing. This video focuses on negative check weighing in the MID375 application. Negative check weighing, or reverse check weighing, is useful when taking bulk product from a large container to add to a smaller container, or when adding multiple items to a single piece. In the food industry, a common example is filling salad containers. In other industries, this could be kitting of small pieces. In our first example, auto tare is active, which means the scale will tare automatically if the amount removed is within tolerance. Before you begin negative check weighing, you need to set the target weight as well as the upper and lower tolerances. To set the target value, press the target button. The current target weight is displayed. Because we are doing negative check weighing, enter the target value as a negative number using the TARE key to go up, the select key to go down, the print key to move left, and the units key to move right. Once the correct negative value is displayed, press 0 to accept. To set the low tolerance value, press the under key. Key in the low tolerance value using the same method as described for entering the target value. Press 0 when the correct value is shown to accept. To set the high tolerance value, press the over key. Use the TARE, select, print, and units keys to set the high tolerance value and press 0 when it is correct. With the values established, you can begin reverse check weighing. Place the bulk container on the scale and press TARE. The net annunciator illuminates. Remove product from the bulk container, paying attention to the graph. When the correct amount is removed, the green accept light will illuminate. Auto tare is enabled, so there is no need to press tare between weighments as long as the sample is taken from the same bulk container and is within the acceptable range. If you remove too little, the under segments will light up. Removing too much will cause the over segments to illuminate. Continue weighing until finished or until the bulk container is empty. Negative check weighing without auto tare. In our next example, auto tare has been deactivated, so you will need to tare the bulk product after each weighment or sample. This can be done by pressing the TARE key or by using a foot switch if your scale is equipped with one. To set the target weight, place the full bulk container on the scale and press TARE. Remove the correct amount of the bulk material and then press Target. The target value is set. By default, the under and over values are equal to plus or minus 1 division from the target value. You can customize these values using the same process described earlier in the video. Once the values are set, you can begin negative check weighing. Press TARE. Remove product from the bulk container, paying attention to the graph. When the correct amount is removed, the green accept light will illuminate. If you remove too little, the under segments will light up. Removing too much will cause the over segments to illuminate. With the correct amount removed, press TARE. Continue weighing until finished, or until the bulk container is empty. This concludes the video on negative check weighing using the MID375 application on the ZQ375 checkweighing. Thank you.